Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by choosing every visible piece to approximate Nacho Libre, a gold luchador mask with 3.5-inch eye spacing and a glossy finish, blue wrestling trunks in size small, and a white belt sized small. Add a red cape 30 inches long that drapes to mid-thigh and set its physics to low sway so it doesn't clip. Select skin tone warm tan, set eyebrows bushy, and pick a short mustache that sits 0.2 inches above the lip for the final facial look. Open the character editor, choose a compact wrestler body type, then place the gold mask on the head layer so the mask sits over hair and eyebrows. Set the red cape on the accessory layer behind the torso and adjust its length to 30 inches. Press Y to save this outfit to preset slot 2. Paint the cape RGB 255, 0, 0 and the trunks RGB 0, 0, 255, set texture shine to high, and ensure the white belt contrasts by using RGB 255, 255, 255. Polish the build by testing it in a local match to check clipping and collisions. Set camera zoom to 70% so the cape reads well in motion while keeping view of legs. Adjust stance to a low crouch for quicker grabs and increase arm reach slightly so throws feel Nacho style. Use a 3-second taunt before attempting a grab to bait opponents and practice a short combo. Lift, spin, throw. Finally, save the final settings to preset slot 2 and test against 2 bots for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.